Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and every single item that you guys are going to see in today's video is from Shein. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys liked what you saw. So in today's video, every single thing is from Shein, and I'm super excited to bring you all these goodies. So I did get these little spoons like this, very cute. We have like a little gold cat, and the reason behind these spoons is because of a YouTuber called Jes. She is amazing and she does amazing hauls. I will have her channel link down below in the description box for you guys to check her out. She literally has such amazing hauls. I absolutely love watching hauls here on YouTube, and she actually brought up that she brought a spoon from AliExpress, I believe it was, you know, to use in regards to any nail art stuff like glitters and stuff. So I thought it was so genius idea, honestly. Like, these are so useful, like if you want to scoop out some glitter or glitter sequences or whatever the case may be. I think this just works so lovely, and I decided to get a couple designs. I literally just searched a mini spoon on Shein and all these adorable spoons came out. Obviously you guys could use this for whatever you desire, but me personally, they will be used for my nail art, like glitters or whatever I want to sort out and use a spoon for. So that will definitely be at my station at all times in one of my drawers. So yeah, here I'm just showing you all the variety of spoons that I got. I think they're super adorable. Absolutely love them. I think they're so cute. I got a total of 5. They do have a huge wide range of different designs for everybody's taste, literally. So it's up to you what you decide to get. But like I mentioned, I might not include like everything or anything at all actually of what I got, and it's simply just because I have purchased in the last month about 6 Shein orders, and they're all really big orders. And I have this bin where I place all of my nail art in, and then I just choose, randomize whatever's on top. I choose an amount of items, and that's how I film my content when it comes to hauls. So it's really tedious and hard to go through all those orders just because each order is such a big amount. So I do apologize, but I will be telling you what you should search up in regards to the goodies that I got if you want to find goodies similar or the same ones. So here in particular in this video, you will see a lot of dangling charms. I put DIY jewelry accessories for this on the search bar at the Shein website, and you could use this for whatever you desire. Usually people use this for jewelry or anything arts and crafts related. Me personally, I love adding dangling charms to any nail set just because it adds this oomph to it, and it just emphasizes how beautiful it looks in my personal opinion, and I just really love it. So you will see a lot of dangling charms here that I purchased, and I'm just super happy because I was just so happy and excited to see this whole other like side of Shein. You know, I usually always used to just search up on Shein nail art, and whatever was there, that's what I got. But then I started putting DIY jewelry accessories or DIY jewelry or beads, and all this stuff just started popping up, and I was just super excited to come across it. So you guys should definitely do that. So yeah, here next we also have another pair of dangling charms, and these are like zodiac signs, and I can't wait to incorporate this in an astrology type of nail art look. So I thought that was really nice to include into my YouTube. I mean, what am I saying? I'm sorry guys. I thought it would be super great to include and incorporate into my next or some of my future nail art tutorials here on YouTube, and also just include it in my collection, which, you know, you just can never have enough of nail art. I absolutely love nail art, especially glitter right now. Like anything that has glitter is just so amazing to me, or anything that's like kawaii or just cute and adorable, or like dangling charms or just charms in general. I'm definitely like in a rage for that at the moment. Actually, it's been for a while, so you definitely will be seeing a lot of dangling charms and just charms in general, because I just absolutely love them. And I will have an organized with me very soon of most of the items that you're seeing here, because I did go ahead and purchase some more containers from Shein, and actually I think these containers this time weren't broken, so that was definitely a plus. I'm just gonna continue to order them from there because it's really inexpensive. It's like $6. It's not bad. So I'm just gonna make a huge order eventually using more of those containers because aesthetically I just really like the way they look. So anyways, next we're moving on to this huge bag of multicolored candies, and these are beads, but I am using them as charms for a future kawaii set because, like I mentioned, I love everything kawaii. I absolutely do. It's just my favorite. So here I'm just showing the variety of colors that it includes. And yeah, the bag definitely brings a lot, so that was definitely a plus. So I'm just really excited, honestly, with all these goodies. I was really impressed and really happy. And honestly, this time around my order came extremely fast. I believe it came in like a week and a half. It wasn't even 2 weeks, so I was really happy about that. But yeah, this is the huge amount that it includes, so I definitely have for a lifetime. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items in today's video. But if you guys see anything in particular that you really like, just let me know and I'll try to find the link. But like I had mentioned, I apologize. It's just so many orders and just me compacting everything in a bin and then trying to find through all those orders what like each specific thing is very like, I'm not gonna lie, it's like annoying. So, but you know, usually I always do it if it's just like one order and I know it's everything is that within that one order. But yeah, guys, here I am just showing you these gummies, and these gummies I loved in particular just because these teddy bears literally are ombre and they have glitter. So it was like, oh my god, if you guys can see here up close, it literally has glitter and it's ombre. I hadn't seen these and I didn't own these, so I'm like, I have to get these. And this was super inexpensive. I think this was like $2 or $3, and you get so many of them. So I was super excited to come across this. I'm definitely gonna be ordering a couple more bags of these. But yeah, guys, I was super happy with this order. And yeah, I'll try to link as much as I can down below in the comments. Not down below in the comments, but down below in the description, because I imagine a lot of people are gonna want some of these goodies. I absolutely love them. This is probably one of my favorite Shein hauls that I'm showing, just because it's more of like things that I really wanted. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying so far. But yeah, now we're gonna move on to the next item, and here we have these iridescent smiley faces that are stars. Well, stars with smiley faces that are iridescent, and these are super beautiful. These are actually beads, but I'm gonna be using them as charms and applying them to a future kawaii set. So I thought these were so beautiful and I absolutely love them. Look how cute and adorable these are. They're so beautiful. I love these. These are so nice. So yeah, I got those as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying this haul so far, and I hope you guys are liking what you saw. And yeah, I hope you guys like everything. I absolutely loved it. Very inexpensive. That's why I absolutely always recommend Shein, because everything there is so affordable. I just love that about it. And literally half these things, they sell it in other sites for more money. So if I could find it through Shein, I'm definitely going for that. So here we have some charms, really cute and adorable. These are some bunnies. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of some charms that I purchased on here. And what I also love about Shein is that they're just constantly adding new items, which is amazing. It's not like they keep the same stuff. They constantly just add more and more and more. So here we have these adorable teddy bears with blue bows. I thought these were super cute as well. So here's what they look like up close. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the other dangling charms that I showed previously. I just didn't want to talk so much in this video. I felt like I was just bombarding you guys with so much talking, you know. Sometimes I understand people just want to watch and not hear so much talking. So that's why I left for a little bit, but now I am back. And here we have some more teddy bears. Super cute with the yellow, I think that's like a yellow, oh, it's like a yellow dress. Super adorable. I love that. Really, really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Let me know down below in the comments what were your favorite items or item. And if you guys already own any of these things, let me know. I'd love to know. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I love you all. I'll see you next time.